Hey guys, so if you're looking for how you can reset the Canon R50, so to do it, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the settings, the menu, where you're gonna find this symbol. I don't know how it's called, this symbol. And when you're gonna like the function settings, and there you're gonna have like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 tab, and maybe it's gonna be like 4 or 5 tab, and there you're gonna find a reset camera, and then you just have to press it, and you just have to like reset it, like basic settings or all the settings. So that's how we're gonna do it. And also what can happen is that maybe you won't be able to find anything there. Therefore, what you need to do, you need to switch off the auto. So switch it to manual P, AV, TV, and it will enable you full menus. So that's also an important thing that you need to do. And I just want to make this like quick video for you, and I hope it was beneficial. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.